Hey guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how the energy of 2nd of December is going to be for all of us. And 2nd of December, the energy is magical again, and I do feel that December month is going to create certain completion, certain magic, certain changes which are going to be very big. Now, like I use the cards to create the energy of the day, and I hope that you've already watched for the video for the 1st of December. So the energy of the day that I'm trying to create here, I'm using before tarot, and then I'm in the end for the additional message I'm going to use after tarot, and in between I'm going to use energy oracle, divine abundance, and gateway oracle. And the intention is that whatever has happened before and whatever comes after, whatever is in between, whatever mysteries, whatever things that are hidden from us, which are not out right there, they come out, and the divine helps, and the energies of new gateways open up, and with the divine help we are able to see what happens before, and what is the present, what happened before the present also. So we are able to see those things, so things come out more clearly outside. Now the first card that I have is Hierophant, and the Hierophant card, if you see, this is before tarot, so the Hierophant has not yet gotten the kingship. Basically Hierophant, it is so I do forget words at times, and I'm sure at right time I'm going to get that word back, but basically the energy is where it is just before where that priest kind of takes up the power, and just before where it takes up the authority, and it is all set there to give you the right energy or the things. Now the card of Hierophant is the card where it is the card of the crown, sorry. So I got the word, thank you guys. So crown, so it is not actually taken up its crown as of now, and the crown is right here. Now I don't know why, but with this card I'm also feeling the energy of somebody's crown been taken off. So I am also feeling that energy. And another thing that is surprising in these cards is that all the cards have three, the kind of the number 3 very prominent. Basically they have the presence of 3 people or 3 elements or three life forms. So if you see here, there are 2 guys here and 1 person, so there are 3 here. There is 1 angel, 2 people here, there are 3 here. There are 2 sphinx and 1 person here, there are 3 here. There is child energy, you can see 3 child, so 3 children, so that is 1, and there is child energy and a person and a dolphin, so there are 3 here. So I do feel the number 3 is going to be very strong for the energy of 2nd, and probably because 3rd follows the 2nd. And also another thing about this energy is, if you see, this is 5 plus 6, which is 11. This is 7 plus 4, which is 11. So again the energy of 11. And Hierophant is the energy where I do feel that some recognition is coming your way, some reward is coming your way, some partnership is coming your way, some new opportunities are coming your way, something is coming your way which will actually give you an opportunity to identify what have been happening in your life, or that gives people to an ability to identify your now this energy can also be where you identify somebody, and you identify somebody's energy, and you participate in some kind of celebration of somebody getting that kingship or somebody getting that recognition. So it can be either way, either you are getting some recognition and reward for your work, or somebody else is getting it and you are going to kind of experience that, or you're going to participate in that, or you're going to be part of that reward and recognition, that crown coming to the king. And if you can see the chessboard here a little bit, and you can see the chess now again I am not getting the word. So when you eat too many painkillers, this is what happens with you. Okay, so you can see this, and you can see 3 of those pawn like here right on the top of the king's crown. So definitely there is a game that is over, there is a game that is complete, and there is a task that is being done, which is an energy where the divine is intervening now, because you can see these 2 hands, they are coming from the pillars around this person. So the divine is intervening now, and divine is giving the recognition or the reward to the right person. Now this is the card of choices also, this is the card of opportunities also, because with the Lovers card, it brings in a choice of partnership, or it brings in a choice of how do you want to move forward, what do you want to do. This person is kind of proposing her to kind of stand up or take his hand. Now this is an energy of lovers right before both of them are standing there, and she's looking at the angel. Now angel also has the eyes closed as of now. The fire is not so much like red or so much burnt up at this point in time, and the snake is also kind of heading towards the ground. Now the energy here is an energy of choice. It is an energy where you have a choice. Do you want to take that hand and you want to stand up and you want to take that task forward, or take that life forward, or take that partnership forward? Now choice completely is yours, whether you want to do it or not want to do it. So I do feel that you're going to be represented with certain choices, whether it is in terms of your career, whether it is in terms of your relationship, whether it is in terms of spirituality, whether it is in terms of your health, any area of your life, you're going to be represented with certain kind of choices, and it will be completely your decision to take that choice or not. But if you go by the energy of the cards, I would say that take that up, take that proposal up, take that choice up, take that option up, because that option is going to lead to some rewards for you. So it is going to be a good option for you. The next card that I have here is 7, which is, and if you see that there is an energy which is sequence of energy. There's 4, there is 5, there's 5, there is 6, there is 7, and there is 4 here as well. So 5, 6, 7, and there is 4, because queen is number 13, so it is 4. So definitely that energy is flowing forward and backwards. So there is an energy of before and after. Now there is a chariot card, and if you see this chariot, the Sphinx are actually sitting with their eyes closed as of now, but they are under control. And this king, or this prince is actually getting into the chariot, taking charge of the chariot and taking charge of the situation. So to be ready to ride forward, to be ready to take that decision, to be ready to take that move. And that is why I said that whatever comes into your life, whatever opportunity it is, whatever choice it is, take that up, because it is going to take you forward. It is going to mark a move into your life, and these are all major changes. These are not small changes. The next card I have here is Queen of Cups, and if you see this Queen of Cups, she still doesn't have her cup, and a dolphin is actually carrying a cup for her. And you can see a lot of child energy. So parent energy, inner child energy, mother child energy, parent child energy, that is going to be very strong on 2nd of December. And also you're going to get some kind of gain or some kind of gift from the divine, because dolphins, they are divine messengers. So you're going to get something, some gift from the divine, or some emotional messages, or some emotional gifts. But something is definitely coming your way. Some energy is definitely opening up for you, and for us rather. And I would say that whatever proposal comes your way, whatever opportunities come your way, take that, because it is coming with divine intervention. It is coming because they are meant to be there. It is coming because angels are present. It is coming because it is time for those to come. So definitely that is the energy which kind of tells me that a lot of good things are going to come in the month of December. December month is going to be marked as a month of closing and blessings. I hope that it turns out to be true. Now the next card that I got is from the Gateway Oracle, because like I said, I want to the gateways to be open so that those energies can actually flow out and we see what happened. So cultivating prosperity, and if you see here, you can see tomato, ladyfinger, and something else, and the seeds was kind of inside the ground, and now the seed was sown, and now the plants have started to take a shape. The plants have started to come out, and this card says the abundance of universe is pouring into my life. And this is the card of abundance. This is the card where actually things start taking the shape. This is when you've actually cultivated the prosperity. That this is when you've done your hard work, you've actually taken care of the seeds well, you've nurtured them well, and now they are coming up the ground, they are coming out of the ground. So you're going to see that growth coming into your life. You're going to see those recognitions coming into your life. You're going to see those rewards, those returns coming into your life. And the next card, if you see, is being in the flow. You can see the ring of Saturn here. You can see the moon, the stars, and there is a light in front of this boat or ship. And if you see, it is flowing from the divine. So this is like the flow of the divine. The angel is actually kind of riding it or guiding it. And this kind of looks like there is a flow in the universe, and it says I'm in the flow of the universe. So the flow is going to be opening up. The flow in your life, the flow of the universe, the energy of the universe is going to be open up, and the energy of beauty, the energy of seeing the things in the right energy, in the right way, getting rewarded for what you've done, getting the results of your hard work, all of that is opening up with the energy of 2nd of December. The next card that I got is from the energy oracle, and this is again number 11 because this is card number 47 and this comes to 11. You can see a female who has a book in her hands. There are scrolls here, there is a staircase here, she's looking at something, thinking something, there is a butterfly here. Now at times this is also engaging yourself into too many things, so ensure that you are focused in your life, you are focused on the things that you're doing. And I'm going to read this card out to you. So this card says wisdom of or understanding. This card is shows a woman holding a book standing before a staircase ready to lead to the higher understanding. This woman could be a friend who helps you express and understand your feelings, or she could be a teacher brought on to your life at this time to take you into the new direction. This could also be a new love interest with woman who is thoughtful, conscious and aware, or like the thinking man, the card could represent the side of yourself that's ready to blossom and bring clarity and assistance to the world. So if so, find your voice and let your wisdom shine. I open my mind and heart to my own inner wisdom. I am thoughtful, focused and clear. That's your affirmation. So definitely that wisdom is kind of very, very clearly shown onto the cards, and you are going to kind of figure out that wisdom of yours. You're going to get the help, you're going to get the support, and things are going to work out. The next card I have here is acceptance. It says radical acceptance in the now opens the flow. And if you see here, there are multiple faces that you can see. There is anger, there is frustration, there could be peace, there could be energies of crying, there could be energies of problems, but then ultimately everything is zeroed down to the calmness. And when you get into that calmness, that is when all the divine energies start flowing towards you. So accept and everything is going to open. So acceptance is a must, and whatever comes your way, again I'm saying that whatever comes your way on 2nd of December, acceptance is going to be the must, and acceptance is going to open all the flow of your life. And if I see is as present situation, I would not say much other than there is a proposal, there is a new opening up, there is a new energy that is there in the energies. But I don't know why, I do feel somebody's crown is going to be taken off. So let's hope that it's the crown that we have been waiting to be taken off, and the energies start flowing beautifully well. Now I'm going to and this is again, I'm telling that this is very, very beautiful because we have 11, we have 11 and we have 11. So there are 6 1 1 1 1 1 1 that is there in one reading, and this is an energy that is exceptional. So I do feel that energies are, and 6 1 1 actually makes it a 6, the number of victory. So definitely the energies are working beautifully well. Now I'm going to take out the additional message which is from the after tarot. So let's see what is the after story. So guides, angels, please help us. What is the message for 2nd of December 2021 after tarot? What is the energy of 2nd of December 2021? The additional message, things that we need to know. What is the energy of 2nd December 2021? What do we need to know? What is the energy like? What is going to happen? Messages. Okay. Okay, so beautiful cards, and we have first card is 2 of Wands. We have all the Wand cards, right? Wand is the energy of fire, Wand is the energy of passion, Wand is the energy of action. So we have first card where there is 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands where 2 people are coming together. They're looking at the world, they are trying to explore, they're trying to think how they want to move forward, what they want to do, what are their options, what they are evaluating the things in their life, they're evaluating the tasks in their life, they're evaluating the path forward in their life. And when you see this energy, there is this one person now is actually moving on to some other task. There is female who is still waiting here, or who is standing here, who will probably wait for him. There is kind of a so basically it feels like there is the end of the season, everything is done what they had to, they are done with their work, and this person is actually moving on because there is a feather on his cap, which means that he's achieved something, he's actually completed the task, he's actually completed something. And at the same time, if you see, there is a red a cape here, and that cape has turned into the white shawl here, but you can see the red part inside. So it's still the same person, the same energy, but yes, somehow the task has changed or the action has changed. And if you see the next card here, which is 8 of Wands, the 8 of Wands is the card of actually messages or communications. But if you see, this person is actually ready with the bow and arrow and is ready to kind of shoot the arrow to the direction where it is meant to go. So with these 3 cards, first of all, I would say that the energies is such where there is some kind of evaluation that you might have to do in your life, and you might have to kind of get onto the journey. Now this could be a literal journey, or this could be a journey where you actually leave something behind and move forward to something, or get onto the next task of your life, and get onto that aim that you need to achieve. Now this could also mean that there is a partnership. Like I said, there is a partnership that is coming into your life, but with that partnership you might need to move away from a certain situation, move away from a certain people, and then you need to ensure that your aim is correct and you're ready to take the action. A lot of communication is coming your way for sure, which you're going to see. This is the energy of, this is number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12, which is number 3. Like I said, I do see the energy of 3 also. There are all 3 cards, and definitely that energy still stands very strong. And I am seeing some of you taking a decision to leave a certain situation, certain relationship, or certain pathway, something, evaluating and leaving that path behind, and setting up your aim high in life. So I'm going to take out one extra card if there is any other message, but overall I feel that there is an evaluation, there is something that is happening, and you're going to get onto some decision. So ensure that your aim is set right, and you are ready to kind of move or travel or take the decision that you need to. So let's see if there is anything else that cards want to give for 2nd of December 2021. Angels, anything else for 2nd of December 2021? Angels, anything else for 2nd of December 2021? Okay, and we have one card, which is the Moon card. And if you see this Moon card, there is a person who's already here. So the Moon card is not really where there is nobody, or there is no one, or there is only howling happening and you don't see any presence. Everything is an illusion. The illusion is going to get over. The illusions are getting over. Your intuition is high. You are about to reach somewhere, and I do feel again the same energy. There is one male, one female, one male, one female, one male, and then one female here. So there's an energy of strong energy of feminine and masculine, and this is number 18, which makes it 18. This makes it 9, and 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Again the energy of 3. So again I'm saying that energies are going to be very strong. You see the presence of the 4th energy here, rather 5 there in this card, and I do feel that from 3 to we are going to see more progress happening, more energies opening up, more things opening up in life, and somebody actually coming to light, or something coming to light. So there are decisions that you will have to be taken. Connect with your intuition. Inner intuition is going to be very important, and this card can also represent the solar eclipse that is there on the 4th. So target something for the 4th, and you will be able to achieve that target. And overall energy, if I say, I do see some news is coming out clearly, which are going to end some illusions. So let's hope that some positive news do come out, and the illusions are ending. And I have Pihu with me, and she want to pull up a card, so I'm going to just give her a chance to do that. So let me see what she pulls out. I'm going to just spread some cards in front of her, and पंखे ना, अब आप एक कार्ड निकाल दो please. Okay, so she again pulled up a card of death. Now, why am I saying again? Because in the Leo predictions, she did say that she wanted to pull up a card, and she did pull up a card of death. And again, I do see her pulling up the same card. The sun is shining very, very bright. Whatever had to happen, it has happened. It is over. And now the death energy is moving forward. Now, I again feel that this is card of rebirth. This is the card of positivity. This is the card of
client के लिए और ये सुशांत के लिए.
अच्छा ये सुशांत के लिए. Okay, she's picked up a card of 9 of cups, and she's saying this is for Sushant, and this is the card of so this is a card of wish fulfillment, right? So somebody who had all the cups filled in, and now somebody he's getting kind of given a lot of food also, and a lot of good food to eat, and this person is happy. And the person who's serving it doesn't seem to be very happy, though, to me, but maybe when this person shares something with him, he'll be equally happy. So I do feel that this is the energy of wish fulfillment, and I do feel that this is 13, which is number 4, and this is number 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, number 4. So it all together becomes 3 to 4. So the energy that moved one step forward. And I do feel that some kind of ending is going to bring a new beginning, which is going to be wish fulfillment. I'm not sure why she's been giving death card, but hopefully we will know. But I hope that this death means transformation and rebirth, and let's see the energies of rebirth coming very, very strong. If you like the video, please share it with everyone else. Please press the like button and leave the feedback. It is very, very important for me, and for people also to get into that energy and understand how life is going on. And thank you so much, guys. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.